Okay, diagram below ABE. ABE is a triangle which AE is 4.8, BA is 90, and BA is 51. Point D is on BE, such that ED is 1.2, BDC is a right angle, and BC is 5.3. So all the information in that paragraph is already in the diagram. First of all, I want the length of BE. Well, BE is in the larger triangle, so I'm going to use the larger triangle for my calculation. Right angle triangle involving angles and sides, so it's trig. So in the larger triangle then, opposite the right angle is the hypotenuse. This is my angle given, so opposite that is the opposite, in between is the adjacent. Okay, I always label the triangles on the inside. Okay, so if there's more than one triangle, like it is in this case, I know it's a label on the inside that's the one for that particular triangle. Okay, so tower. Okay, I want to find BE, which I'll call X, which is the opposite, and I'm given the adjacent 4.8. So opposite and adjacent, that's tan. So T stands for tan of the angle, that's tan 51, equals O divided by A. So tan 51 is O, which is what I'm trying to find, which is X, divided by A, which is 4.8. Divided by 4.8 on this side, times in by 4.8 on that side. So X will be 4.8 times tan 51. So 4.8 times tan 51. So that's 5.927506351. Values in the question was one decimal place, so I'll follow suit. So X 2 is smaller than 5, so it doesn't affect this digit here, so that stays as 5.9 meters. Okay, so BE, that's BE then, is 5.9 meters. Now I want to calculate the size of BCD. Middle letter is C with a roof over, so BCD is the angle at C, that's the angle I want. Now then I've only got given this side, but in the first part I worked out the length from B to E is 5.9. So in this triangle here, BD is going to be 5.9, take away the 1.2, and that'll give me 4.7 meters. So this, for this triangle here now then, that's 4.7. So do the trig, right angle, so that's my hypotenuse. This is the angle I want, so this is the opposite, and the one between is the adjacent. So I've got to right, I'm given the hypotenuse, which is an H. I know the opposite, which is 4.7, so opposite and hypotenuse, so that's sine. So S stands for sine of the angle, which is sine X, equals O divided by H. So sine X is equal to, right, O is 4.7, divided by H, which is 5.3. Right, I'm after an angle, so I need to press shift first of all, so X is shift sine, put the fraction button in, 4.7 over 5.3, close the bracket. So X is 62.47291471, and because it's an angle I'm going to one decimal place, there's the decimal point, there's the first decimal place, that's 7 there, that's 5 or more, so increases the 4 to 5, so X is 62.5 degrees.